Morning. Today is April 7, year 2026. I am now here in the Hawa lot. So I am going to be watering the coconut uh, plants, the coconut plants that I have planted months ago. So I have here 9 containers to be used to water about 36 plants. There are 60, I have planted 36 plants of coconut up to this time here around this area. So I'm gonna be watering there. Today is about 6:30. So let's see how much time I'm gonna be using to water all the plants by manual. I started removing the puso ng saging like this. So ang puso ng saging, and after this I tried cutting some of the big shrubs here. Ano yung mga gamot na sa kamuting kahoy o daghang sagbot, daghang pang hilimpyuhanan nga mga unas ang saging. I started just removing these plants that are big. So thank you Lord for the strength. So I already have been here for more than 2 hours. I'm gonna be going home after 20 minutes probably. So after cutting all these big plants. Thank you, thank you. Thank you, Lord. Okay, okay. 2.5 hours job today in the Hawa lot. Okay, thank you, Lord. Cleaning and removing some and watering the coconut. Okay, it's time to go.